All right, gang, let's get it. Okay, so we're downtown today and there's a basketball game going on. And so my theory is that there are a lot of supercars and high-end luxury cars downtown parked for the game. And typically the valets have the best cars that you can find. And so with this theory in mind, I came downtown, I was driving around looking for some cars. Found a Supra that was pretty sick, but it was tucked away and couldn't really get any good shots of it. So I kept driving, and what I recently just found, what I came across, was a freaking Huracan STO Lamborghini. Now I don't know if they're gonna be okay with me shooting it, or we're just gonna send it and see what they say. Sometimes you just gotta send it, and if they start getting upset, then at least you sent it while you could. There it is. So the valet is over there doing his job. So we're gonna hide behind all these signs. Hopefully blend in a little bit. There's a sick Porsche behind it as well. It's funny because I know most of the STOs here in Utah. And this is one I actually don't know. What's so crazy is like, today is a Wednesday night. Like I said, this guy is probably just enjoying the basketball game. Get the halo above the car, that's pretty sick. See if we can get the reflections going here. Crazy. This is just a good example of like, just get out there and shoot. I came across this car out of nowhere. I don't know who the owner is or anything. And I just came out to practice and shoot and found this thing sitting here by itself. Okay, so I threw on the 16-35 lens. Try to get this whole apartment complex above me. Should give us a pretty sick effect here. We're gonna line up this halo right above the STO here. That looks pretty sick. Jeez. So insane how good Canon's colors are just out of the camera. Like, look how gnarly this looks. The more you get out, the luckier you get. There are hundreds of car photographers sitting at home right now, and I'm out here on a Wednesday night looking for cars. And literally, if they just get out there, you'll find cars all over the place. Just takes time.